Despite the turbulent, bitter fights surrounding his nomination, my fervent hope is that Brett Kavanaugh will work to lessen the divisions in the Supreme Court. I will vote to confirm Judge Kavanaugh.
That's Republican Senator Susan Collins, and she left people hanging today, building suspense over how she planned to vote in the final round of Donald Trump's Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh's confirmation process. Now, her support is crucial when it comes to getting Kavanaugh on the bench.
Mr. Cruz. Aye. Mr. Daines.
Aye. On this vote, the yeas are 51, the noes are 49. The motion is agreed to.
Senators voting 51-49 to move forward with Kavanaugh's nomination, with a final vote by the Republican-controlled Senate expected tomorrow. Kavanaugh's confirmation on the bench would cement conservative control of the Supreme Court, a major victory for Trump.
I asked for UC this week for a minute.
Just last week, Republican Senator Jeff Flake played a key role in requesting an FBI investigation into decades-old allegations of sexual assault against Kavanaugh by Christine Blasey Ford. Allegations Kavanaugh has denied.
Mr. Flake.
Aye.
Today, Flake voted in support of Kavanaugh, and the GOP senator is signaling he'll likely vote in favor of the nominee this weekend. But there's no guarantee on who senators will support until the final votes are cast.
I've worked with through the years who have sat in...
Protesters both for and against Kavanaugh descending on Capitol Hill today.
Sure, God love him. I don't care about these people.
Hours before today's vote, the Wall Street Journal sharing an op-ed by Kavanaugh, making his final pitch to senators, calling himself an independent, impartial judge, and touching on the tone of his testimony last week that had critics asking if he had the right temperament for the Supreme Court.
This confirmation process has become a national disgrace. You have replaced advice and consent with search and destroy. I think you've probably had beers, Senator, and so
you're saying there's never been a case where you drank so much that you didn't remember what happened the night before or part of what happened?
You're asking about, blackout. I don't know. Have you?
Kavanaugh writing, I was very emotional last Thursday, more so than I've ever been. I might have been too emotional at times. I know that my tone was sharp, and I said a few things I should not have said. At a rally last night in Minnesota, Trump showing his support once again for Kavanaugh.
He is an incredible intellect, an incredible person, an incredible talent.
And Trump tweeting today, very proud of the U.S. Senate for voting yes to advance the nomination of Judge Brett Kavanaugh.